grab it. Okay, so we're talking about assignment 5 and just kind of recording a walkthrough of how to get started with and do assignment 5 so that you have this video for your reference later, and then I'll hand everything over to Mr. Umlin to walk us through really cool stuff about spawning, creating, and destroying things. So for this assignment, in step 1, it says create a new folder and name it with your last name, first initial, underscore, course number, underscore, and assignment 5. According to all the things that we're very used to at this point in the class. So just to demo that, I'll create mine in documents, why not? You can create it in downloads, desktop, whatever you'd like to do, but we'll go ahead and create a new folder. And that's last name, first initial, underscore, SGD-113, underscore, assignment 5. And then inside this folder is where we'll create a new script file and name it random spawner start. This is going to contain some of the things that we'll use, some of the bits of code that we'll use to help Unity randomly create things at random volumes with random colors and other kinds of bits of stuff that we'll see in just a second. So I'll just do that with Notepad++ since it's what's available on my machine. I'll do Notepad, readily available anyway. File, save as, and then we want this to be random spawner start, and we want it to be C# source file, and then we'll put it into the folder that we created in step 1, save it there, and there we go. Just like with the other assignments, what we'll want to do from that point is transcribe the code that you see here. You can always make this image bigger by clicking or hitting that right-click button and then open image, a new tab. That's going to pull it up at actual size so you can see all the text very, very clearly. Just to demo that again, it's going to be right-click on the image, open image, a new tab from there in Blackboard where you see it. And then you'll see the zoomy magnifying glass button to enlarge that to see everything that's going on. So you'll transcribe all that. And then once you've got that transcribed, you're directed in the instructions to click on the title of this content item to navigate to the submission area for this assignment. So to do that, click on where it says assignment 5 spawning. And then we'll scroll down. We get that reiteration of the instructions, as well as the place to upload the thing. So the submission instructions say, once you are finished with your work, zip your folder with its contents that you created in step 1 and submit it here in Blackboard with your written submission, which we'll get to in just a moment. So to zip everything, I'll just close this for now, pretending that I've successfully transcribed everything. Going back to my documents folder, right-click on that folder that you made in step 1, and then choose send to compressed zip folder. And there it is, and we're good to go. Then I will upload. So let's go grab this thing, browse local files, to upload the zipped folder, the one with the little zipper on it. Open it, and now it's uploaded. And now we need to do step 5. So step 5 says, click on the right submission button to open the text panel for writing your answers to the following questions. So we'll click on the right submission button. And we know that we need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll just make this, let's pull out all of our tools. And I recommend making this a numbered list so that you can write your answers to these 5 questions. You can answer these questions merely by looking at the image above, but it will be to your advantage to type these things out so you have them in your working memory when you go to answer these questions. So they include which line of code describes the parameters for rendering cubes. What do you think line 10 of the script does? Each of these 5 questions are designed to draw your attention, your evaluative, considering attention to these elements of code within the document. Write your answers here in the text submission, and then once you are satisfied that you've got everything right, hit submit. And that will lodge your submission in Blackboard for a grade. So that's the quick and dirty approach to getting assignment 5 done. If you have any questions, as always, send me an email and we'll catch you on the next.